All right, if you took cuttings like I did and populated your igloo or your windowsills with them, it's time to give them a little care because, spring's going to be here really, really soon. And you want to have really healthy and nice plants to plant out when the time comes. So the main problem with cuttings is since you're usually just taking one branch, it's just going to grow up singly like this guy. It's just growing straight up and you have no branches, you have no good growth. So, and it also makes them really kind of wobbly. So what you want to do is you just take out the growth tip here and just pinch it out, or you can use scissors, and that's going to force it to use all these other nodes to grow out, and then this will turn into a nice bushy plant. So instead of taking up this much space, it's going to take up this much space, and it's just going to look so much better, and it's going to be so much healthier in the garden. This will turn into a secondary wood sort of thing, so it'll be much sturdier, and it'll be able to handle the elements and the wind a lot better when you put it out in May, in my instance. So do take care of your all of your cuttings, go through and pinch all of them. I'm Gardener Coop. Thanks for watching.